Well, let's move on now to Ghana. The country's economy is trying to recover from the COVID-19 pandemic, but the depreciation of the cedi against the greenback is taking a toll on many businesses. Now, the cedi has lost more than 1.6% to the US dollar this year. That's its highest depreciation in 3 years. And some analysts are now predicting that it will fall by 3% more by the end of the year. Now, traders want the government to step up its efforts to stabilize the currency. Here's CGTN's Nabil Ahmed Rufai reporting from Accra.
Nana Owusu sells building materials. He says his business was hit hard by the COVID-19 pandemic last year.
A lot of customers hold on. We even do follow up the project we are doing at first. They said, oh, no, unless the pandemic or like we see a change in the system, without that they can come and buy the building material. So so in this case, our sales, it was not moving at all.
Now Owusu's business is starting to pick up as Ghana's economy tries to recover from the pandemic. But the prices of building materials have gone up. A bag of cement was sold at $5.80 in January. It is now selling at $8.25. Cement producers say they've had to increase the cost of their product because the prices of raw materials, which are mostly imported, have shot up. Analysts link the hike to the depreciation of the cedi against the US dollar.
If the currency depreciates, it hurts importers because now they import at a higher cost because they need more local currency to exchange for the same amount of foreign currency. And so their cost of operation goes up and they can pass that on to consumers and it makes cost of living higher.
In 2018, one cedi bought you $1. Now you need 6 to buy that same dollar. There are a number of factors at play, the biggest of which is capital flight. Investors have pulled large sums of money out of the country, concerned over its fiscal health and the government's budget deficits. Ghana has received $1 billion from the International Monetary Fund to boost its economic recovery. While this will help shore up the central bank's foreign exchange reserves, some analysts say it won't reverse the depreciation of the cedi entirely.
Whilst there is that support, you don't expect all of it to be pumped onto the market. So there's still some small room for some strategic intervention and some allowable depreciation. Then, of course, we expect the Ghana Cocoa Board to also do its annual syndicated facility, which will also bring over $1 billion into the economy. And then we also are looking forward to whether the government would be able to close or conclude its planned sustainable bond issuance before the end of this year.
Analysts say the cedi is likely to further depreciate against the US dollar, but many traders like Nana Owusu want steps taken to improve the country's economy so they can reduce the cost of doing business. Nabil Ahmed Rufai, CGTN, Accra, Ghana.